Good evening. In today's session, we'll try to understand the difference between confidence motion and no confidence motion. What exactly are these two? Let's try to understand. But before going into the details, I would like to tell you some concepts. For example, if you look at any state, in every state you have an assembly. And in few states you also have the other house, the upper house, that is called a legislative council. But in any state, in order to form a government, a political party must get a simple majority in the concerned state assembly. Whatever may be the state, you please look at your state. In your state assembly, you have a strength. Strength means number of members in assembly. They are called MLAs, and that is called members of legislative assembly. Now, depending on the population of the concerned state, you have a number. That is the reason why largest number we can see in Uttar Pradesh and smallest number we can see in Sikkim. In Sikkim, you got just Sikkim is also a state and Uttar Pradesh is also a state. In Sikkim, I can see only 32 MLAs, whereas in Uttar Pradesh, I can see 403 MLAs. It varies from state to state, that is depending on the population of the concerned state. Now, coming to the point, in order to form the government, you must get the simple majority. Simple majority means at least half the number of seats plus one. At least half the number of seats plus one, that will give you the majority. That simple majority is enough to form the government. That is how in every state, whatever the state you look at today, you have a government today. That is because of the simple majority they got in the concerned state legislative assembly elections. But sometimes what will happen, just because at the time of election you have the majority, it doesn't mean that the majority will continue for the 5 years. What is this 5 years? The term of every assembly is 5 years. So it doesn't mean the majority will continue for 5 years. What happens? During these 5 years, at any point of time, some MLAs from the ruling party, they may shift loyalty towards opposition party. They may jump into other political party, or some people will submit the resignation letter and they will go away. During that time, the political party which is there in the power will lose the majority. During the time, the chief minister has to resign. What happens if the chief minister resigns? If the chief minister resigns, entire council of ministers is considered to be dissolved. During the time, governor will search for other alternatives. If there is a possibility of forming government with any other political party or parties, governor will look for the options. If there is a possibility, another government will be formed. If there is no possibility, assembly will be dissolved and we will go for the next elections of the assembly. This is what exactly happens. But why are we discussing all these things now? Because today, if you look at Rajasthan, Rajasthan is one of the important states in India where you have 200 members in the assembly. The elections were held in the year 2018, and in this 200, no political party got the clear-cut majority. Just now I told you, in order to get the simple majority, meaning you have to get at least 50% plus 1. So, in Rajasthan, if a political party wants to form the government, they must get minimum 101. 50% is 100, plus 1 is 101. But if you look at this Rajasthan scenario, Congress party got exactly 100 seats and BJP got 73. And obviously BJP cannot form the government unless it will get the support of the other political parties. But if you look at Congress party became the single largest party. Since it got already 100 seats, it need just one member to support it. and it got the support from the independents and other allies. And in Rajasthan, Congress party formed the government, and Shri Ashok Gehlot became the chief minister of Rajasthan. After that, Sachin Pilot has been appointed as the deputy chief minister of Rajasthan. So Ashok Gehlot is the chief minister. Sachin Pilot has been appointed as the deputy chief minister of Rajasthan. Now the things have started moving, but in the recent past, if you observe very clearly, Sachin Pilot and Ashok Gehlot, it seems that some rifts have been developed between these two important leaders in Rajasthan. And Sachin Pilot has got the support of 18 MLAs, and Sachin Pilot himself is one. So 19 MLAs, they departed from the party, and they went against the party decision, and that created lots of turmoil in Rajasthan. And Mr. Ashok Gehlot started saying that it is the BJP which is playing a role here, and it wants to topple the government in Rajasthan as it did in Madhya Pradesh and Goa. So this is an accusation made by the chief minister of Rajasthan. But after lots of dramas, again Sachin Pilot came back to the Congress party. It seems the leaders in the Congress party played a role, and Sachin Pilot, along with his followers, like other 18 MLAs, they came back to the fold of Congress party. And during this particular time, BJP was insisting that there should be a no trust vote, and the Congress party was also very confident that it can win the trust vote. But what do you mean by this confidence vote and no confidence vote? Trust vote and no trust vote. Confidence, trust, both are same. No trust, no confidence, both are same. Clear? So what exactly is this? Basically what will happen, confidence motion will be moved by the government. Confidence motion is moved by the government to prove the majority of its own party in the assembly. And they want to make it clear again that they have the majority and we can continue in the power. That is called confidence motion. Confidence motion is always moved by the party that is there in the power. On the other side, you got another concept called no confidence motion or no trust motion. No confidence motion is moved by opposition party. Opposition party is moving this to prove that the party that is there in the power, meaning the government, has no majority in the assembly. If it is moved by opposition party, that is called no confidence motion. If it is moved by the government, that is called confidence motion. But in any case, if it is moved by the government, and if the party that is there in the power gets a majority, meaning it has the confidence of the house. But where is it mentioned in the constitution? For this, you need to look at article number 164 clause 2 of the constitution. It says very clearly, the council of ministers at the state is collectively responsible to the state legislative assembly. Collectively responsible means if you have the majority, you form the government. If you don't have the majority, you have to step down. That is the meaning of this. Clear? And by taking from this article 164 clause 2, so this concept has come. So today what happened? Today if you look at Congress party, Rajasthan assembly, Rajasthan, in the Congress party itself, has got 101 seats. In 2018 it won 100, and in 2019, so there was a by-election and one seat came to Congress. Its strength rose to 101 plus 6 BSP MLAs, Bahujan Samajwadi Party MLAs, they joined Congress. Of course, BSP that is Mayawati party, uh, it is opposing. It is saying that the 6 BSP MLAs joining Congress is illegal. So that is there. So legal options are being verified. But otherwise, if you look at very clearly today, Congress party has got support of 107 members, plus it also got the support from its allies and independents. So now, as of now, Congress party is safe, government is safe, Sachin Pilot is back, BSP MLAs are, they are part of Congress party now, and Congress party has got the support. Right, this is what happened. But if it is moved by opposition party, that is called no confidence motion. If no confidence motion gets a majority, that's an indication that government has no majority and the chief minister has to resign. If chief minister resigns, what happens? If chief minister resigns, council of ministers is considered to be dissolved, meaning that is over. Governor has to look for alternatives to form the other government. But nothing happened luckily today, and everything went in favor of the Congress party, which is already there in the power. Otherwise, what will happen? If you keep on changing these governments like this, the people will get disturbed. Maybe in Rajasthan, maybe in other state, people should not be disturbed at all, because people have voted for a political party to be there in the power for 5 years. Right? Unless there are very strong reasons, you cannot replace it. Clear? Am I clear? This is what exactly happened in Rajasthan today. Like this, anything may happen at any time in any state. Kindly remember, as of now, we got 28 states. 28 states. Because Jammu and Kashmir is no more a state, that has been bifurcated and established into 2 union territories. Right? So now I got 28 states in India and 8 union territories. And out of these 8 union territories, in 3 union territories, we got the assemblies. Clear? We have assembly in Delhi, we got assembly in Pondicherry, and we also got assembly in Jammu and Kashmir. Of course, the elections for Jammu and Kashmir assembly are yet to be held. Government is gearing up. Very soon, Jammu and Kashmir assembly is also going for elections. Am I clear? And like this, you need to follow the political developments, especially when it comes to confidence and no confidence motions. And kindly remember, this is article number 164, class 2. Clear? And similarly at the central level also, article 75, clause 3 says that the council of ministers shall be collectively responsible to. The council of ministers shall be collectively responsible to the house of the people. House of the people means Lok Sabha. Meaning at the central level, the council of ministers is collectively responsible to the Lok Sabha. At the state level, the council of ministers shall be collectively responsible to the assembly. Am I clear? So please remember these points. Please remember article numbers. Please remember what is trust motion and what is no trust, and when it is moved. Who will move? Confidence motion. Who will move? No confidence motion. Please remember all these things. Fine. So thank you so much for being with me this evening, and I'll see you in the next class. Thank you so much.